Okay, friends, this is data lesson number 4, and you should be on page 9 of your text, which looks like this. So we've been talking about how data is information that's collected, while a chart or a graph is how information is displayed. So there's multiple different ways you can display information. Yesterday, or maybe the day before, you displayed information using a chart. Today, we're going to look at displaying information using a bar graph. So what you see on the screen is a bar graph. So this bar graph, I can tell what it's about by reading the title. It's about consoles owned, or game systems, different types of game systems that are owned. So this survey probably asked a group of people what they owned for a game system. And the choices were PS3, Atari, an Xbox 360, or a PlayStation Vita. Vita? I'm not really sure how to say that. So the people responded, and then they graphed it. So looks like 7 people had a PS3, 9 people had an Atari, 10 people had an Xbox 360, and PlayStation something or other, 4 people had. So now it's going to ask you questions. So all you're going to do today on pages 9, 10, and 11 is answer questions by reading the bar graph. So the goal today is to learn how to read a bar graph. So we're going to do the first couple together. How many people owned a PS3? So I'm going to go to PS3, follow it up, and then over. It looks like 7 people owned a PS3. Now, number 2 is a little bit harder. It said, did more people own an Atari or a PS3? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at Atari first. And I see that 9 people own that. Now I'm going to look at a PS, whatever that word is, Vita maybe? And see that 4 people own that. Alright, which one's bigger? Excuse me. Sorry about that. So the question was, which one owned more, or which one is bigger? And clearly the 9 is. So more people owned an Atari. And the next one says, which console did exactly 9 people own? So I'm actually going to go up to 9 and follow it over. Oh, look, it's Atari. Atari had 9 people own it. So you will continue down the rest of this page. At the end of this page, you need to have an adult check your questions. Remember, adults are here to help you if you need it. And good luck.